Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Blackhead Strips is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for achieving a clear and smooth complexion. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of blackhead removal strips, exploring the top contenders, comparing their effectiveness, and helping you find the perfect match for your skin type and needs, so you can finally say goodbye to those pesky blackheads. Number 5. Bioré Blackhead Remover Strips. Are you tired of stubborn blackheads? This is the #1 trusted blackhead remover. It can remove a week's worth of buildup in just 10 minutes. This product includes strips for both your nose and face. It targets all the areas where clogged pores and blackheads tend to appear. Remove blackheads safely and pain-free with these pore strips. When used as directed, it's a gentle yet effective solution for clear skin. Using patented C-bond technology, this product is designed to bind to and remove blackheads, not your skin. Use it once a week for best results. These uniquely developed pore strips act like a magnet. They safely and effectively remove dirt, reduce oily skin, and help eliminate blackheads. What we like? This is the #1 trusted blackhead remover, and it's easy to see why. It comes with strips for both your nose and face, so you can tackle those pesky blackheads wherever they pop up. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one solution that's gentle on your skin, you should consider this. What people say. The strips are easy to use. They effectively remove blackheads. The design of the strips allows them to adhere well to the skin. Number 4. TONYMOLY Tako Pore Blackhead Remover Scrub Stick. This innovative stick is designed to target and remove stubborn blackheads. It uses a specialized marine complex to adhere to impurities. This makes it easy to cleanse your pores. The formula includes deep-sea marine plant extracts and purifying charcoal. These ingredients work together to absorb excess oil and toxins. It also gently exfoliates your skin. The unique solid balm texture melts upon contact with skin. It transforms into a gel to deeply penetrate pores. This makes it perfect for travel and targeted application. It contains witch hazel to minimize pore appearance. Tea tree oil and hyaluronic acid help maintain skin moisture balance. This leaves your skin feeling refreshed. This product is easy to apply. Simply untwist and rub it on your skin for a deep cleanse. It's a gentle yet effective solution for your skincare routine. What we like? This unique scrub stick uses marine ingredients to deeply cleanse your pores. Its solid balm texture transforms into a gel, making application a breeze. If you like a targeted approach and enjoy travel-friendly skincare, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It left my chin extremely smooth and I can't even see a single white head on it anymore. It exfoliates and removes hideous sebaceous filaments. Its effectiveness exceeded all expectations in 2 days. It has cleared up trouble breakouts on my chin and nose crease areas. My pores are noticeably cleaner and smaller. Number 3. Bioré Original Pore Strips. Are you tired of blackheads? These pore strips instantly clean and unclog pores. In just 10 minutes, it purifies your skin for the deepest clean. See instant results with these strips. With continual use, it helps reduce the appearance of blackheads. You'll see a visible reduction in the size of your pores. These strips are designed for most skin types. It removes dirt from your skin, leaving you with clean and fresh skin. Using patented C-bond technology, this product is designed to bind to and remove blackheads, not skin. Use it once a week for best results. These pore strips act like a magnet. It safely and effectively removes dirt, reduces oily skin, and helps eliminate blackheads. Get the deepest clean with this product. It unclogs pores and leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. What we like? These pore strips instantly unclog your pores, giving you a deep clean in just minutes. With continued use, it helps reduce the appearance of blackheads. If you are looking for quick results and a proven formula, you should consider this. What people say. The strips are easy to use. They effectively remove blackheads. The design of the strips allows them to adhere well to the skin. Number 2. Peach slices nose pore patches, 7 CT. Tired of harsh nose strips? This gentle patch is an upgrade. It absorbs oil and gunk, leaving your pores looking tighter and clearer. Unlike old school strips, this one won't stiffen or tear your skin. Wear it overnight and wake up to better looking pores. It removes blackheads painlessly without leaving any residue. It uses medical grade hydrocolloid. This clinically tested gel gently absorbs gunk, protects your skin, and supports quick healing. First, cleanse and dry the area. Then, apply the patch. After 8 hours, gently peel it off and discard. Finally, cleanse the treated area again. Peach Slices offers easy solutions for skin issues. It's formulated without harsh chemicals, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and cruelty-free. It's a K-beauty innovation. What we like? These innovative patches work overnight to absorb oil and gunk, leaving your pores looking clearer. The hydrocolloid material is gentle and painless, so you can say goodbye to harsh strips. If you have sensitive skin and want a gentle yet effective solution, you should consider these. What people say. They're super easy to use, just apply before bed, and when I took it off in the morning, my pores looked cleaner and less congested. Works very well overnight. It's very thin and clear. I could tell my nose was clearer and less oily the next morning. I put it on overnight and wake up to a cleaner face. Pulls out a lot of junk. I like the size, it makes it very effective for a larger portion of the face, such as the nose area. Number 1. LANBENA 2.0 Blackhead Remover Kit. This is the upgraded Blackhead Remover Kit. It includes 60 pieces of peel-off masks for your nose and face. It is designed to effectively remove blackheads and impurities. With Amazonian white clay and 2% salicylic acid, its absorption power is significantly improved. This helps to soften the skin and unclog pores, leaving your skin feeling clean. The new formula includes salicylic acid and Amazonian white clay. This helps to soften the stratum corneum and boosts the product's ability to remove blackheads. In just 8 to 15 minutes, it removes stubborn blackheads, dirt, and oil. For best results, wait until the mask dries completely before peeling it off. It contains natural plant ingredients like aloe vera and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients help to reduce irritation and moisturize your skin while removing impurities. The kit includes a mask brush and refill packaging. This design helps you apply the mask easily, saves money, and is better for the environment. What we like? This mask uses a powerful formula with salicylic acid to remove blackheads effectively. It also includes natural plant ingredients to soothe your skin. If you are looking for a mask that combines effectiveness with gentle care, you should consider this. What people say. It does exactly what it promises, effectively removes blackheads and deeply cleanses my pores. This product takes out so many blackheads. It works wonders and is honestly a game changer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.